name is Anya Garcia, and this is your time crunch workout.
What's up, you guys? iFit trainer John Peel here.
This is Gideon Akanda, your iFit trainer.
Are you guys ready? You better be.
Let's crush this workout.
Feeling your heart rate starting to rise. Press, press, press. There we go, guys.
Use those legs.
I'm sweating with you.
Leave behind whatever you want to break free of. Make it powerful.
Come on.
I love a challenge, right?
Stay with me. Stay with me.
Light on your toes.
You're making this look easy.
Stay with me.
Yeah. Push it. Push it, baby. Go, go.
Come on. Ha.
Boom. There we go. Hit it. Push.
Woo! 8-count run. Race me. Let's go. Go.
Do not give up.
You're warriors. You're
Yeah.
Spartans. Come on. Let's go.
This is where we change.
It was never supposed to be easy.
If it's easy, it's not worth it.
We're bringing it. Because we're bringing it all the way.
It's a doozy, y'all.
Yes, you guys.
Make sure you join me and any of the other iFit coaches for your next workout.